When you think of American people, do you think of people like this? Or do you think of people like this? Which one's the right one? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. Today, we are going to talk about American stereotypes, things that people think of Americans like me around the world. People have a lot of ideas about Americans. Are they all true? The first stereotype that we are going to talk about is that Americans speak loudly, not quietly. No, no, no. People think that Americans always speak very loudly, and sometimes it's true. Here in Spain, a lot of people speak loudly. At a restaurant, when you're eating, you can hear people speak, but you can especially hear some Americans. There's a lot of people that travel to Spain on vacation, and the Americans, you can always hear them because they speak loudly. Sometimes this stereotype is true. Another stereotype is people think we smile all the time. This one isn't true. Americans, when they see each other on the street, it's polite, it's nice to smile at the person. When I came to Spain, I did that. And people, they looked at me a little weird. They thought, why is he smiling? But to me, it's normal. I always smile at people on the street. So this stereotype, well, we don't smile all the time, but I think we smile a lot. Another stereotype is about food, things we eat. People think that we always eat fast food, hamburgers, pizza, French fries, and that we drink a lot of soda. This one is not very true. Sometimes people cook at home, but a lot of people think Americans don't cook at home, but we do a lot. Another thing people think is that Americans are very patriotic, that we love the United States, and we always say the Pledge of Allegiance every day. Well, not so much. Some people are very, very patriotic, but a lot of people are not very patriotic. This one is true and it's false. It depends on the person. This next one makes me feel a little embarrassed to be American because a lot of the times it's true. But I wish it wasn't true. It's that Americans like me don't know very much about geography, about other countries in the world. Now, of course, it's not true for everyone, but a lot of people, it is true for a lot. For example, you can watch videos on YouTube or Instagram where they interview interview Americans. And some people, when they ask the question, can you name a country in Europe? Some people have answered Paris. Yes, the city. They meant France, but they answered Paris. Oof, so embarrassing. Another stereotype is that Americans, we love big things, big houses, big cars, big plates of food. And this one is true. American things are normally big. No, not big, huge. Even our problems are huge.
Huge problem. It's a huge problem. The huge problem.
That is a huge problem.
Okay. No, they're huge, right? They're huge. Don't pronounce huge like Donald Trump, please. It's huge with an H. Another thing that is true is that Americans, we love sports. Baseball, football, all kinds of sports. And we cheer, yes, yes, very, very loudly. We love sports. And the last stereotype that I think is true, and one that I like a lot, I love that it's true, is that Americans are very optimistic. We think this will work. We should do it. Yes, we can. We don't think negatively or pessimistically. We don't think, I can't do it. This won't work. Americans are very optimistic. We normally say, you can do it. We don't say that you can't do it. Let me know in the comments below, what stereotypes have you heard of before, and are there any others? And I will tell you if they're true or false. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We'll see each other in the next one. Bye.